This is the old handle I want to replace. Firstly, unscrew the screws around the handle you are removing. Normally, a Phillips or star screwdriver is required. Once you have removed all the screws, you should be able to take the old handle off. Do this for both handles. Now remove the rectangular metal rod or spindle that allows both handles movement of the spring bolt. It looks like this. Next, we'll have to unscrew the screws holding the old lock to the door. These faceplates tend to have slotted or flat screws that requires the slotted or flat screwdriver to remove. Make sure to remove bottom and top screws. Once you remove both screws, you will be able to remove the old lock from the door. Old lock and handles removed. Now for replacing the old lock and handles with my new lock and handles. Firstly, we can place the new lock in the door. Just like that. Now we will have to tighten the new lock to the door using screws. Both top and bottom screws until tightened. Then we will place the new spindle rod inside the new lock spindle hole. There should be a square hole visible to the back of the handle. Place it through like this. Next we need the new handles and their screws. Then you'll want to place the new handle on with the spindle rod into the square spindle hole, while the spindle rod is inside the new door lock. Like this. Then you will want to tighten the new handle to the door with the given screws. Tightens both handles on each side with the correct screwdriver. Make sure to test the new handles and lock to see if it works correctly. Test the lock by locking and unlocking the door. And there you have it. To replace the old striker plate, simply unscrew the screws and remove the plate. Then you can screw on the new striker plate afterwards. Thank you for watching Not Your Average Donovan. If you liked this video, and would like to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up and smash the subscribe button for notifications whenever I upload a new video.